So now let's tackle problem number 1149. Let me read out the problem for you. The rear wheels of a tractor are 1.8 meters in diameter and the front wheels are 0.8 meters. If the rear wheels are turning at 40 rpm, determine A, the velocity of the tractor, and B, the angular speed of the front wheels, assuming no slipping. So the rear wheels are 1.8 in diameter. The front wheels are 0.8 meters. So radius is 0.4 meters. Radius is 0.9 meters. Radius for the rear, radius for the front. Okay. All right. We're required to find the velocity of the tractor. So velocity of the tractor is basically if you find the linear velocity of the of this wheel. Okay. But first we're given the RPM of the rear wheel, right? So omega is, what does it say? If the rear wheels are turning at 40 rpm, or omega rear is 40 rpm, that's equal to 40 times 2 pi over 60. So that is, let me do the math. That comes to about 4.189 radians per second. So that's the angular velocity of the rear wheel. Now, from that, what we can calculate is, we know this formula, V equals R omega. Okay, we have the omega, we need to find the linear velocity. We know how fast this is going, right? So we need to know this. Okay, so and what's the relationship? The angular velocity and the linear velocity, the relationship is just multiply by R. V equals R omega, and this V is the velocity of the tractor. R is 0.9 meters and omega we just found out is 4.189, so that's 3.77 meters per second. Okay. All right. So that is the velocity of the tractor. Let me write it down. Velocity of the tractor. Now we will take this and apply this to the front wheels, the smaller wheels. Now here we know V equal to 3.77. We know R, so we can find the omega here, right? Same formula, V front equal to R front, omega front. So we know this 3.77, because whatever is the velocity of the velocity of the tractor is the same as the linear velocity of the front wheel or the rear wheel, right? And this is 0.4 and then omega f. So omega f is 3.77 divided by 0.4. So omega f comes to 9.425 radians per second. Very simple.